At the High Court Criminal Division in Kampala, on whether accused Hajo Bedi Lutale and Captain Oya Oladenish appeared before court. Although retired Dr. Kizza Besigye was expected to appear in court today, he was absent. However, prison authorities presented Judge Emmanuel Baguma with a letter explaining the accused's health condition. Prosecution requested court to proceed with the hearing of the case in the absence of Dr. Kizza Besigye. The request was, however, opposed by the state brief lawyer Sylvian Namaweje on grounds that proceedings in the absence of the accused will violate his rights to fair hearing and that some defense lawyers were not present in court.
And we also still wish to inform court that we have a witness on the stand and we are desirous, we want to make an application before this court, my lord.
I think it would be very important to establish the health situation of A1, Article 28 of the Constitution that provides for a fair trial, makes it a non-derogable right for an accused person to be present at his trial.
During the same court session, accused Hajo Bedi Lutale expressed concern over what he described as being forcibly represented by state brief lawyers.
That I don't fear to be tried, but what I want in this court or in this type of justice is fairness.
In his ruling, Judge Emmanuel Baguma directed prison authorities to present a detailed medical report on the health status of Dr. Kizza Besigye during the next court sitting.
Must avail the medical report following this court. There is a status of one who is not in court. Inform the other two lawyers of the state to appear in court so that the prosecution will make the application which they have brought to court in the presence of the accused person.
Due to the absence of Dr. Kizza Besigye, the hearing of the case could not proceed. Yesterday, Dr. Kizza Besigye collapsed in court while protesting the trial, urging that it was unfair and infringed on his constitutional right. Prosecution yesterday presented its first witness, Andrew Wilson Orlando, an American investigator. In a separate development, High Court Criminal Division, presided over by Judge David Matovo, declined to grant bail to lawyer Elias Lukwago. In rejecting the bail application, the court ruled that the accused had failed to demonstrate that his alleged deteriorating health condition could not be adequately managed by prison authorities.
By requiring certification of the medical people at Maxon Bay, that the Honorable Lukwago cannot be handled by Maxon Bay, that requirement was not necessary.
Court further observed that although Mulago National Referral Hospital had recommended the accused to receive further treatment from his primary specialist doctor in India, the recommendation was not supported by any medical report from Luzira Prison Health Authorities.
So he erred on matters of law. He also erred at fact that the Honorable Lukwago required to certify such a document, which was not his, which was an official document to court. So there is no other right which is superior to the right of life. So we are going to fight with the energy, capacity that we have as a team. But to the extent that there may be political connotations or that politics might have guided the decision or directed this decision, again, we are looking at it in that angle.
Lawyer Elias Lukwago is charged with 1 count of misprision of treason and is waiting plea before a judge to be assigned by the deputy registrar. Deborah Namamonde, Viola Nance Subuga, UBC News.